Alright guys, back with another install video. Got some new LED lights here from LAS. Got the 194s, these should be the license plate bulbs. Got these, I want to say one of them is going to be for the tail lights and the other one's going to be for the brake lights. And then I believe these should be the reverse lights. So yeah, pretty nice stuff here. Get these out of the package and get to work. Alright, so we got the new LASFITs out of the box. Like I said, these should be the reverse lights and these should be the same. So we're going to change out the brake lights and the turn signal lights since they're both red. So you can see right now the brightness when I unlock the truck. Obviously halogen not very bright, so I'm going to get these swapped out for the LED ones. So I already started on this side. Gotta take out this screw. There's just two screws. You can see right here on the other side. Just gotta undo those. They're 8mm. So I already went ahead and got these out before the video. So all I gotta do is just pull that, and obviously your whole tail light comes out. It's kind of dirty in there since it's probably never been cleaned ever in 12 years. So see if it's better to just undo these since it's probably easier. So got those out, and then this one I believe is the reverse light. There it goes. So yeah, I got all this fun stuff. I'll probably clean that up before I put it back. So let's just get one of these swapped out right quick so you can see what it looks like. There's the old halogen, real nice LED. Let's see. Okay, let's check it out. Oh man, you can see the difference right there. You can even hear the little fan inside too. Keep it running, keep the LED nice and cool. It's pretty sweet. So let me go ahead and get this wrapped up real quick and show you the end results. Alright, so shout chemical guys, got their streak fully window clean. Just use that to clean up the tail light a little bit real quick. Obviously you got the new LEDs put in, so we're gonna get these back in here, hopefully, possibly. See if I can. There we go. Got that one in. That one. And finally, see if I can get this bottom one. Come on. There we go. Kind of a pain to get that back in there. Actually, I just realized all this part is all dirty. Let me get that cleaned up real quick. Alright, now I got it cleaned up back here. Get that pushed back in. Make sure, obviously, everything lines up. Nice and snug. Obviously, you can see that new LED in there. Red ones can't really see as much, but you can definitely see that reverse one. So we gotta come back. Where did I put my bolts? Oh, here they are. Got two little 8mm. Snug that guy in. Give it all the ugga-duggas. Nice and snug. Nice and tight. And where are the keys? Here are the keys. Alright, let's see. Oh man. That's super bright. Let's see if we can turn the lights on real quick. Oh yeah. So that's turn signal, LED, and that's halogen. You can definitely tell this is way brighter over here versus over there. Don't mind the mess. See if we can start it up real quick. Put the parking brake on. Let's see if it'll work. Alright. Oh yeah. Nice LED. And of course, crappy halogen. Definitely makes a huge difference for sure. So we'll go ahead and get this side swapped out next. Alright, so now, let's see if I can adjust the camera real quick. Alright, so now we're going to get this other side. Get those out. Let's see if we can. Ooh, that was cute. I don't know what that was. We'll see what that was in a minute. Get this out. This guy out. And this guy out. Set that right there. What the heck was that? Oh, just a rock. Nice. So there was a rock sitting in there. That's cute. Awesome. Alright, cool. So we got our new LEDs right here. See those. And obviously crappy halogens. So obviously again, this has never been clean. Truck is a 2014, so looks like 12 years of dirt in there. So yeah, let me get that cleaned up real quick. Alright, so I finally got this side in. Obviously you can see the new LEDs in there. Push that back in. Make sure holes are lined up in there. Nice and snug in there. Then you put these couple ugga-duggas. Sure it's nice and tight in there. And see how she looks. Definitely nice improvement over those dim halogens. Let's see what it looks like. Now that they're LED, those are pretty nice. So obviously you got the parking brake set already. Just turn her on. Oh, put the foot on the brake. Put it in reverse right quick. Make sure you don't go anywhere. Check out these. Oh yeah. Nice. It's gonna look good at night. Super bright. Can't even look right at them without going blind. Yeah, those are super bright. So obviously LASFIT LEDs. Nice thing is non-polarity, so a lot of LEDs, especially back in the day, you had to make sure they were flipped a certain way, but these don't matter. Just stick them in like you were changing out a regular bulb and they automatically work. Obviously got the little QR code in case you need the instructions on there. But yeah, pretty nice. So go ahead and get these installed. These are the 194s for the license plate lights. I'll show you guys those in a second here.